Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
Ninja OP401 Foodi 8-quart pressure, steamer, air fryer all-in-one multi-cooker, black gray. Tender crisp technology allows you to quickly cook ingredients, then the crisping lid gives your meals a crispy, golden finish. Pressure cook up to 70% faster versus traditional cooking methods. XL 8-quart ceramic coated pot is non-stick, PTFE PFOA free and easy to clean. XL 5-quart cook and crisp basket can hold up to 7 pounds. Chicken to feed your whole family. Includes crisping lid, pressure lid, 8 QT. Ceramic coated pot, 5-quart ceramic coated cook and crisp basket, stainless steel rack, recipe book. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.